Hello my YouTube friends. Today I will show you step by step how to draw Naruto. If you are new to this channel and would like to see more of these types of videos, please subscribe and give it a like. It really helps and I really appreciate it. Okay, step number 1, find a good reference photo or picture to copy from and grab yourself a pencil. Start by drawing out simple shapes for the head, body and limbs. Pay close attention to how far the hands and feet are to the body, as there is foreshortening in this parts of this picture. So roughly prep the pick before inking using a pencil. Use a 01 fine liner to go over the pencil drawing areas that you are happy with. Don't worry too much about making mistakes at this point, as we can correct areas with thicker pens later. Use a thicker fine liner such as a 0.2 or a 0.3 to bring out the objects that are closest to you. This will help give it that more 3D effect, that more of a pop. Okay, on to the colour. Start by putting a base layer down on all the main areas. This should be your lightest tones for the picture. Next, choose darker colours to bring out the shadows. I used the same process to draw and colours Naruto's rage form. So penciled it out, inked it with a fine liner, and then went over in colours. Okay, so we're coming to the end of the video. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like. And what would you like to see more of from this channel? Do you like these tutorials? Would you like me to draw certain characters? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.